Hello and welcome to this Leetcode question series. So today we are going to solve this Leetcode question number 176, second highest salary, which is tagged as medium. Now what's the question is, so we have given a table called employee with 1, 2 and 3 and we have to return this as output. Suppose the rank, the second highest salary is 200, we have to return 200. What if there is no second highest salary present, then we need to return null here. Okay, and suppose there are two rows. Suppose this is also 100, then we have to return the second highest salary is 300. Now we have to do this. Okay, now to solve this question we are going to use the rank window function. If you have not watched my previous video on this topic, then please watch it first before coming to this. If you know it, then it's okay. If you have not, then please watch it. The link is in the top right corner. So let's go to the data grid. Now I have the employee table and I have the data. We have to find the second highest salary, but let me first copy this thing. Select star from employee, and what I need to do, I just need to find the rank. So what I want salary and I want the rank as well. And let me just copy this here first. I'm going to use this in the future. And now I need to calculate the rank over order by salary descending as RK. If I run this query, I'm going to receive this 1, 2 and 3. I've ranked the salary now and I just need to fetch where clause on that RK is equals to 2. To do this, if you think I could do like this, RK is equal to 2, no, because this, if we have done some manipulation in the column itself in the select clause, I cannot use directly here in the where clause. I need to wrap this query first like this. Select star from, now I could use where x.rk equals to 2. This is called layering of query. This is an inner, it's not an inner query, it's just like this is one table and the top of the table we are now writing another query. If I run this, see I've got this, but what I want, I just want this. So I will say x.salary as this. This will return me the answer. Coming back to the question, the second case, let's see whether the second case is working fine or not. Now let me just remove this 2 and 3 column from here, where id in 2 and 3, and if I run this query now to check, this is giving nothing, so we need to return null here. So what we need to do, we need to do some if else condition. So what I will do, when I will use case when count of this is 0, then we just return null, else x.salary, end. This we want to return now. See, we are able to return null here. So I think so we are done with the question. Let me just use this in my Leetcode. We are in the Leetcode now. The question number 176 is showing. I have already explained this question in the Excel. Let me just paste the solution and check whether this is running fine or not. See, the question is running fine. Let me just submit this question now. We have the wrong answer here. Okay, the problem here is that we are using this rank, because in this, if we check about this thing, 100, 150, this will be 1, 1 and 3. The rank works like this. If we just change to this tens rank, now let's run this question. See, I am able to run this successfully. So that's all from my side. If you like the solution, then please like this video, subscribe my channel, and also share this video to your SQL friends who wants to crack SQL interviews. Also, we are going to post a new video every day or every other day on the SQL questions. Thanks a lot for watching this video.